Hey y'all, so today we about to do an unboxing. So I bought this from TikTok shop and I want to see if it actually works the way how the girl showed that it did, or did I waste my money. So come on, y'all gonna open this with me. So let's see. Is my AC too loud, y'all? It is hot. It's very hot. So it is a sun visor cell phone holder. So it makes me recording in the car so much easier. So we are gonna set it up, see if it works. Y'all, this is the multitasking life right here. Let me push the seat back. Multitasking. So I got y'all set up right here on my standing tripod because I broke my small tripod, and then I have my phone right here that I have set up because while I'm doing this unboxing, I'm doing a reel for this unboxing. I need to buy a new tripod. I had a small handheld tripod and I broke it when I was recording something. I don't remember what I was recording, but I just stopped at Dunkin' and I got a refresher. And I did not know that you could mix two refreshers. So it's called a medium mixology refresher with strawberry dragon fruit, tropical guava, green tea with less ice. I'm gonna let y'all see what I got. I tried this the other day. Tastes so good. I went to Dunkin' a while ago and I couldn't remember what I got. So I had to pull up my order because I ordered it online. But anyways, guys, I am just rambling my mouth off and I have not said good morning. So good morning, guys. Well, yeah, it's the morning. It's 11:59. So good morning. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. I need to pee. I should have went to Dunkin' and pee. Y'all, I've been drinking a lot of fluid. And when I say a lot of fluid, I mean a lot of fluid. I've had tea. It's cold, but even though it's cold, it still tastes pretty good. It's ginger tea. Because I made this at like 8 o'clock this morning. Was it 8 o'clock? Yeah, about 8 o'clock this morning. 7 something this morning. So it's hot by now. I drank off all of this, and this is what's left. Still drinking all this liquid, and I need to pee, right? And then I have, well, all the ice is melted, but I have a cup of water. It's still cold, but the water tastes horrible. Ugh. Ooh, I got that from Chick-fil-A. The water is not a problem. I think it's the ice. Ugh, tastes weird. I'm gonna throw that out. And then I got this. So a lot of liquid. So my bladder is working overtime right now. But I am getting ready to go home. But I wanted to stop and do this reel. Because I'm doing it in my car because it's for the car. So I'm trying to set it up in the car. So I'm like, let me do it because I've had it for a couple of days now. Supposed to do the reel, and I was going to do the reel inside the house, but then I was like, nah, because that wouldn't make sense since it's for the car. So we got to do stuff that makes sense. So we're in the car to unbox this. I kind of have y'all set some kind of way. So I have my phone right here. I know it's kind of dark. So I have my phone right here and I am about to do this reel so y'all can see. Maybe I could set y'all up in the back. Maybe I could do that. Let's just set y'all up in the back. Hopefully y'all don't fall. But let's do this. Oof. So I figured while I'm doing the reel, I can let y'all see me unbox it at the same time. So that's the goal. So let's get this done. So I got my tripod for the car, and we are gonna see how this works. So it does come with this piece, and then this is the tripod itself. Y'all, I'm so scared that I'm gonna break it. It said press. Press what? Y'all, I'm so scared I'm gonna break this shit. I am so scared. What am I supposed to press? Okay, so how do I get this up? Does it have instructions? I don't like when things are complicated, you know. Because I know this part you put on your visor. But how do I get this up without breaking it? Let's see. Oh. So I'm assuming. There you go. So you push the button at the side and it moves it around. And then this one as well. Move it around. So like that. And then this part you can move it up and down, and I guess tighten it to the way you want it. Once you tighten it, it doesn't move. It stays still. I like. So let's see if we can set this up. Y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna record my phone with me setting this up. How am I supposed to record with my phone? Doing the reel setting it. Oh, it's hot. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. I guess I'll have to figure it out. And then I guess, how do you... Because at some point... Oh, there you go. Okay. We got it set up, y'all. We got it set up. We can do it this way too. Ooh wee. Okay, y'all. So I was saying I need to buy a new tripod. I don't. Because guess what? I'm using the sun visor holder as a tripod. Because if you look at this one right here, you can actually use it as a tripod. And here I say I was going to buy a new tripod. And I don't. So, I have a new tripod now. I can use this as my tripod.